Let's see how you can easily send SMS when someone fill out your lead forms on Facebook, and when they reply to the SMS you can also use AI to handle those messages as well. So for example, here we have a sample lead form or instant form created, funding leads qualification. So let me show you the form right here. So here we actually ask them for the credit score right here, and after that we also ask about the sales volume over here, and then we ask them for the full name, email and the phone number. So once they fill out this particular lead form on Facebook, we can actually send an SMS to the specific phone number they are providing right there, and also when they reply to those messages we can use AI to handle as well. So here I'm in a demo icon. We have already connected the Facebook page right here, and you can actually use the Facebook leads ads automation. So in marketing tools you have the option for the Facebook leads ads automation. So here I already have connected the demo static media page right here. So here from there you can actually create a new lead forms automations. For example, choose the Facebook page. Otherwise you can actually add a new Facebook page as well and choose the lead form. So in this case we want to use this funding leads qualification. So here these are the questions we are collecting from the lead form, and here when they submit that specific form on Facebook, it will create a new contact on our platform, and also you can save those fields as well and then send them an SMS as well. So here phone number, phone, email, full name, and here sales volume. So if you don't have a specific field you can add new one. Otherwise let's search for the sales volume. So here I already have the field, so let me choose this one, and credit score. So let me search for credit score and let's choose this one as well. Otherwise you can actually create new fields as well, and once they fill out this form you can actually set up a specific flow to trigger. So we have to create the flow first and then select that specific flow right here. For now let me click continue over here. Alright, so this has been created right here. So let me go to the flow section over here and create a new flow, and let me say funding FB lead form to SMS. Click continue. And it is important to note that you also need to connect a phone number from Twilio if you want to send any sort of SMS. So here we already have connected a phone number right here. Otherwise you can simply click on channels over here and choose SMS and connect the Twilio phone number. So if you click on learn more, here you have the step-by-step guides on how to sign up on Twilio right there, and copy the account SID and host token and simply paste those details on our platform to connect a specific phone number. So here we have a phone number right here as well. So here in the flow builder, let's start with an action over here saying you have the permissions to send SMS. So here actions, choose SMS, set SMS opt-in. So that means you have the consent to send SMS to those customers. So let's set this as a starting step. Alright, and now continue, and here in send message we want to send them an SMS. So choose SMS and enter the SMS message you want to send them. So let me enter this message. Thanks for filling out the form. One of our agents will contact you soon. If you have any questions, let us know. That's a simple SMS we want to send them. So let me make sure this is published. Alright, it has been published as well. So now this is the flow name, funding FB lead form to SMS. So now I have to go to the marketing tools, Facebook lead ads automation, choose the specific automation right here, click on edit, and here choose the flow which we just created. Alright, so once they fill out the form, this message will be sent them, or this flow will be triggered and they will receive an SMS as well. So okay, once they reply to the SMS, if you want to use AI to handle those messages, you can actually create an agent over here. So go to the A hub and create a new agent, and let's say we want to name this company as this particular funding group. So it's about funding. So let me create an agent in this specific company name. Click continue, and here you have to enter all the details about that specific company. So let me copy all this information right here about the specific company and paste it right here. So here let me say you are a helpful assistant to this specific company. Respond to customers' questions in just 1 to 2 sentences. So when they ask any sort of questions, it will simply respond based on the information we have provided right here. Alright, so let me save it over here and make this as the default agent as well, so that it will handle all those messages sent by the customers. And here you have to go to settings over here and make integrations. choose OpenAI ChatGPT and make sure the AI auto reply is switched on. So that means it will use the default AI agent to respond to the user messages, and save it. Alright, so now we have set up the SMS, and also once they reply, it will use this AI agent to handle those messages as well. So now let's test how this actually works. So here, this is the Facebook Leads Ads testing tool offered by Meta. So here, this is the Facebook page, this is the form as well. So let's click on preview form over here, and here you can provide all these details and see how this actually works. So here, let me choose the credit score as 680 to 719. What's the monthly sales volume? So let me choose 10k to 25k, and here you can choose any name. So here, let me say Robert Ken, and here let me say provide this email right here, and here you can provide a phone number right here. So once they fill out the form, the SMS will be sent to this specific phone number. So let me click continue over here, and let me click submit. Alright, it says thanks, you are all set. So now if I go to the platform and choose contacts over here, we should see a new contact created. So it says Robert Ken, FB lead ad, and here it says few seconds ago. So if I open this chat over here, they should have received an SMS right here. So it says thanks for filling out the form, one of our agent will contact you soon. So let me share my phone screen. So here it says thanks for filling out the form, one of our agent will contact you soon. If you have any questions, let us know. So if I reply to this message, so let me say awesome, thanks. It should use the AI to handle those messages as well. So we can actually track the same messages or conversation through the unified inbox as well. So here, this is the SMS message sent to them. They replied awesome, thanks. It simply says you are welcome. If you have any questions, need assistance with funding option, feel free to ask. So here, let me show the phone screen as well. So here we receive the message as well. So now if I ask any sort of questions right here, so here in the we have this AI agent, and if you ask any sort of questions, so here it's founded in 2018. So let me send a message right here when this was founded. So we should receive an SMS saying it was founded in 2018. So it says funding of Grow was founded in 2018. Simple as that. So likewise, it can simply respond to any messages you ask right here, and from this unified inbox right here, an agent can easily send any sort of messages as well. For example, if I send any sort of random messages from this inbox, the customer will receive it as well. So here, this is a message I sent from the unified inbox. And that's a quick video on how you can easily send SMS to your Facebook leads. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.